If you are looking for an AI tool that can help you understand documents, organize information, and even answer questions about your own files, then NotebookLM is definitely worth checking out. It's built by Google and powered by the latest Gemini AI models. NotebookLM works like a personal research assistant. Instead of searching the internet, it focuses only on the sources you provide, making it answer much more reliable. So in this video, I'll show you how to get started with NotebookLM, upload the first sources, and explore some of its most useful features. So let's get started. First, you will open the NotebookLM website and click Try NotebookLM, sign in with your Google account, and after a few seconds, you will arrive on the main dashboard. This is the page you will see when creating a new notebook. At the top, you can click Create Notebook to start a new project. Every notebook can contain its own documents and conversation, and that makes it very easy to keep different topics organized. On the left side, you can see the source panel. This is where you add all the information that NotebookLM will use. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, Google Slides, websites. You can upload YouTube videos, text files, audio files, and many other types of content. The more useful sources you provide, the better NotebookLM understands your topic. For this tutorial, let's keep things simple. Instead of uploading a large document, I will click inside the chat box at the bottom and type a short piece of text. For example, artificial intelligence is changing how people create content. AI tools can generate text, images, videos, music, and help improve productivity. After I enter the text, I will press the arrow button to submit it. Now NotebookLM understands our information and is ready to answer questions about it. So let's ask our first question. I will type, "Can you summarize this text?" Within a few seconds, NotebookLM generates a clear summary based only on the information that we provided. Now let's try another question. What are the main benefits of AI mentioned in the text? Again, NotebookLM gives a different answer and even shows where the information came from. This is one of the biggest advantages of NotebookLM. Instead of simply giving an answer, it provides citations and you can quickly verify the original source. If you're working with research papers, school notes, business documents, or long reports, this feature can save a huge amount of time. On the right side of the screen, you will notice the Studio panel. This includes several AI tools that can automatically create different types of content from your sources. For example, Audio Overview turns your documents into a podcast-style discussion that you can listen to. Video Overview creates a video summary of your information. You can also generate reports, mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, study guides, slide decks, infographic, and even data tables. Those tools are especially useful for students, researchers, teachers, and professionals who work with lots of information every day. Another thing I really like is that NotebookLM only works with the sources that you upload. It doesn't mix your information with random results from the internet, and that makes it much easier to trust the answer you're getting. So whether you're studying for exams, researching a project, organizing business ideas, or simply trying to understand a long document, NotebookLM can save you a lot of time by finding important information and explaining it in simple language. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.